أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
صحيح الجمل الآتية. يا مريم أتعرف رقم هاتف المديرة؟ What is the mistake there? Find the mistake here. Is it right? Ya Maryamu atarifu, right? Because Ya Maryam, it is feminine. So atarifina. Tarifina. Ya Maryamu atarifina raqma hatif al-mudira? Oh Maryam, do you know principal's phone number? يدخلون الطلاب الفصل قبل دخول المدرس. يدخلون الطلاب, see here the students, because الطلاب is file plural, so it should be singular. يدخل الطلاب. يدخل الطلاب الفصل قبل دخول المدرس. الطبيبات يخرجون من المستشفى في الساعة الواحدة. The lady doctors يخرجون, is it possible? Is it correct? No. الطبيبات يخرجن. يخرجن. The lady doctors are leaving the hospital or leave the hospital by 1 o'clock. يجلسن الطالبات, is it correct? No. Because طالبات is plural, so it should be singular only. It's file. File may be plural, but the verb should be singular. But it is feminine, so it should be feminine. So تجلس الطالبات الجدد في الصف الأخير. New girl students are sitting in the last row. تجلس. If it is here الطالبات الجدد here as a mubtada, then it is correct. It is jumla failiya in that the file is plural, the verb should be singular, only gender match is there, that is masculine masculine, feminine feminine. Aina tadhhabuna ya ikhwanu, is it correct? Because oh brothers, but here you are using feminine, is it right? Aina tadhhabuna. أين تذهبون يا إخوان؟ أختي يدرس في المدرسة الثانوية. Is it right? Correct it. أختي صحيح الجمل الآتية. أختي تدرس في المدرسة الثانوية. ماذا تكتبون يا بناتي؟ ماذا تكتبون يا بناتي؟ Is it right? Because يا بناتي is here. So what is that? ماذا تكتبنا؟ ماذا تكتبنا يا بناتي؟ If it is ya abnai, it is correct. It is feminine, so feminine plural, it should be mada taktubna. What are you writing, oh my daughters? Mada takulina, it is feminine, but ya abbasu. So mada takulu ya abbasu. Mada takulu ya abbasu. What are you eating, oh Abbas? Nahnu ashrabu, is it correct? Nahnu nashrabul kahwa. We drink coffee every morning. It is ana ashrabu, nahnu nashrabu. It should be noon. Satarjivu abi min al-riyad, is it right? Sayarjivu abi min al-riyadi fil usbu'i al-qadimi. Sayarjivu, my father will return from Riyadh in coming week. Tamal Mayali. Yadhabu. Just observe this. It is ya is arful mudara, particle of mudara. Dhahaba is the verb. Plus damir mustatir, hidden pronoun. Hidden pronoun. Yadhabu means he goes or he will go. That zamir is hidden. Pronoun is hidden. Dhahaba is there. Harful mudara is particle of mudari. Yadhabuna means they go or they will go. So ya is harful mudara plus dhahaba, that plural plus wow, it's fa'il actually. They are going for wow indicates that. And noon is alamatur rafi. What is alamatur rafi? You will find if it comes, for example, lam comes there, lam yadhabu, noon will be falling. But here it is in the rafa state. So alamatur rafi is indicated by this noon. So we will study these positions in our future lessons, inshallah. Tadhabu means harful mudara tha plus dhahaba plus damir mustatir, hidden pronoun. Ta is symbol of muzari, particle of muzari here. Yadhabna, ya is harful mudara plus dhahaba plus noon is fa'il. Tadhabu, here ta is harful mudara, dhahaba plus hidden pronoun inside. Tadhabuna, ta harful mudara, dhahaba plus waw is fa'il here. Plus noon alamat rafi. Tadhabina, here harful mudara, dhahaba, ya is fa'il here. You one woman go or will go. Ya. Plus noon alamat rafi. Tadhabna harful mudara plus dhahaba plus noon equal to fa'il. Tadhabna. It's actually noon niswa. Tadhabna, you all women go or will go. Adhabu, I go. Here a is harful mudara plus dhahaba plus damir mustatir. That is the meaning of I, ana inside. Nadhabu, noon is harful mudara plus dhahaba plus hidden pronoun damir mustatir. Mustatir means hidden. Al kalimatul jadida, akhir, last, the last one, the final one, akhir. Saf, row, sufuf. Sayyaratul ujrati, taxi.